Now, if we look here, we're going to say when it comes to bases, there are 3 features that we're supposed to look out for. Generally, bases possess metals. So if a metal is involved, then it's most likely going to be a base. We're going to see a couple exceptions of that when we get to amphoteric species. But for right now, let's not worry about that. Next, we're going to say bases tend to have a negative charge. Okay, so bases will have metals or a negative charge, or they'll be classified as another compound which we call amines. Now, amines are an organic type of compound, but we get to see them for the first time in chemistry. So before you guys move on to organic, you get a small taste of what amines are and how exactly do they relate to bases. So if we take a look at the rules, we're going to say group 1A. We're going to say any group 1A metal, when they combine with any one of these 4 ions, make a strong base. Now, these 4 ions, we call them hydroxide ion. Hydrogen can be positive or negative. When it's positive, it's called hydronium ion, but when it's negative, it's called hydride ion. O2 minus is oxide, and NH2 minus is amide. So notice all of them end with IDE because they have a negative charge present. So if one of these negative ions combines with any group 1A metal, it's going to create a strong base. Now recall, what are the charges of group 1A metals? Group 1A metals are +1. So examples, we could have Na positive, Li positive, Cs positive, K positive. Any of these ions could react with any one of those 4 ions to give me a strong base. Okay. So here, Na positive, OH minus combined together to give me NaOH. This would give me LiH. The 2 from here would come here. The 1 from here would come over here. CS2O. Then here we'd have KNH2. And remember, you can mix and match any group 1A ion with any one of those 4. Here we get sodium hydroxide, lithium hydride, cesium oxide, potassium amide. So again, any group 1A metal with one of those 4 ions will create a strong base. And strong bases don't require a nice chart in order to find pH or pOH.